back to my channel. I have another unboxing, so let's get started. This is their holiday packaging. Look how beautiful it is. This is my favorite packaging. It also comes with a star. You can hang this on your Christmas tree if you like an ornament. Here's the receipt. And here's the box. And the ribbon. Okay, let's open it. Dust bag. Okay, so here it is. This is my new Lady Dior wallet in a patent Calfskin leather with gold hardware. It has this detachable Dior charm. Here. And the color is cherry red. So it has this canage pattern design. And it has a back pocket. It has a snap bottom closure. There. So here you can see it says Dior. Here's the coin compartment. It's big. You can put a lot of coins there. And here it is. You can see it says Christian Dior there. So it has a 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. And 2 side pockets and 1 large bill compartment. There. The color is so pretty. So let me do a comparison with my LV Victorine wallet so you can see the size. So you can see that this is bigger than this one, but on the website it says that this is medium size, but I think this is a small size wallet. Red is a beautiful color for a wallet because you can easily see it inside your bag with black interior. I love this wallet. Perfectly fits inside my mini bags. And let's see if we can. Oh, there. It's made in Italy. I'm so happy to add this Dior wallet to my collection. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or you like my wallet, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!